Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about a very interesting thing. Till now we have learned about the animals and their babies. So today we are going to learn about the sound of the animals. Ready? Come.
The cow says moo. The sound of horse is neigh. The cat says meow. The dog barks. The duck says quack quack. The lion roars. The goat sound is bleat. The pig's sound is grunt.
Come everybody, we will do one activity. You all have to guess who am I. See, this is my baby. My baby is called calf and I give milk. Tell me, who am I? Yes. You are right. I'm cow. Who am I? I'm cow. Very good. Well done, KG. Now I'm king of the jungle. Yes. And my baby is called cub. Who am I? Yes. I'm the lion, the king of the jungle. Good. I say quack quack. And my baby is called duckling. Now guess, who am I? Yes. I'm the duck. I'm the duck. Now you guess me. Who am I? I like to eat fish. And my baby is called kitten. Now guess who am I? Yes. I'm cat. I'm cat. Good. Good. My baby is called chick. And I give you eggs. Now guess, who am I? Yes, I'm a hen. Very good. Now my baby is called lamb. Now guess, who am I? Yes, I'm sheep. Very good. Now my baby is called bunny. And you know, I love to eat carrot. Yes, I love to eat carrot. Tell me, who am I? Guess. Yes, I'm the rabbit. I'm the rabbit. Good. My baby is called kid. Now can you guess, who am I? Who am I? Yes. I'm the goat. I'm the goat. Good. I am a very faithful animal. And my baby is called puppy. Now guess, who am I? Yes, you are right. I'm the dog. I guard your home, isn't it? Today we have learned about the sound of the animals. With that, we have done one activity also. Did you remember? Yes. You like that activity? In this way, you are going to practice, okay? With your parents, mama, papa, anybody in the house. You will practice that activity. Then you will click a picture and you will send it to Jayashree ma'am, okay? I'm waiting for your pics. Till then, bye-bye everybody.